how to make $1,000 at 15 years old in 2019. All right, so this is a video for teenagers. This is a video for people who want to start making money, but you don't know how, you know what to do, where to go. By the way, before we start, just check these dudes out. We got some birds. But right, back to this. Now, a disclaimer for this video. I'm not going to be talking no bullshit strategy, no that piece of shit. I'm going to be real, and this stuff is going to include some work, especially if you're 15. Now, what I want you to understand, my channel is based more on business side of things. However, when I was 15, I started, actually when I was 13, something like that, I started my own, I started mowing lawns around my neighborhood. So I understand the hustle, I understand what you have to do, what it takes, and some ideas you can do right now. You can use for yourself right now to go out there and start making money as a teenager. Now, let's get right into it. Number one you need to understand, you're gonna have to do some work, right? Most of the time, because you cannot go into B2B businesses, which essentially means business to business ventures, if you're 15. You're just gonna be too young, right? Age is not a limit. However, in B2B, it kind of is, because you'd not want to be going to a company that earns like 100 million a year and be 15. They're gonna look at you and say like, what the fuck are you doing here? It's weird as fuck. But yeah, now back to what I'm doing right now. So if you're 15, if you're looking to make money, the best way to do it as of right now, immediately, is literally go around your neighborhood. Look for, you see a house. Right now it's snow outside, and look at the yard. It needs some shoveling, right? So if you're 15, go outside, go to your neighbors' houses, and look if they need some shoveling work done. If it's the summer, look for if they need to mow their lawns. Do that kind of work, right? It's essentially low quality work, and especially if you're in a better neighborhood, it's gonna be a huge and a great opportunity for you. Now, if you don't live in a good neighborhood, a great neighborhood, no worries. You should just be going around to different neighborhoods who are better, who have houses, and starting to work there. Because I'm going to tell you this. When I was mowing lawns at the age of 13, I was earning around $10 to $15 an hour, right? $10 to $15 an hour. And a lot of people, when they actually go get a summer job, something like that, they work for $3 an hour, $5 an hour. That's just pathetic, right? I was able to earn, if I would mow the lawn like 10 times, I would have $100 to $100 in my pocket, right? If I just mow the lawn for 1 hour for a week straight, that's $70. That's super, super good. And if you can get like 7 houses to mow lawns for every single day, that's going to be a lot of money. My math is fucking shit, but that's going to be a lot of money. I think that's around $140. Yeah, that's no, that's not $130. I'm very bad at math. Okay? Never mind. But yeah, the birds are happy. The birds are happy. You guys should be happy too. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay. Yeah, back to this. Now, that's one idea you can have. It's essentially doing a service for somebody who can, number one, afford it, and who does not want to do it for himself. That's one great opportunity. Now, number two, I'm going to be going more into the business side of things, and this would be getting into e-commerce, building an e-commerce store, selling stuff online. They're getting excited. Holy shit. But yeah, an e-commerce, it's a little bit more tricky since it does take up some startup capital to do. So actually, right now, I'm going to build out a bigger and a better plan for you guys. All right? And I'm going to be talking about a little bit about what I did. And I'm going to tell you what I would do differently if I would have to start over again. So we are at my whiteboard. Okay. Yo, dude, what's up? Right, we are at my whiteboard. I'm just gonna do it like this. All right. So this is you, 13, 15, however year old teenager you are. You want to get some money, right? Step number one is you want to go for mowing lawns. What I talked about, blah blah. Once you get some sort of capital, there are a couple of ventures you can go into. Number one is e-commerce. This will be literally you taking and selling products online. You do need to have some experience for this because, and you like, I don't recommend this to be the first business venture you go into. I don't feel this is the best one. The better one for me would be getting into personal branding, PB, especially if you're at a younger age. That's like the people you call influencers, right? You might have somebody at your school who's making YouTube videos. They might have like 200 subscribers. Everybody's making fun of them. You're gonna be that kid. However, you're not gonna be the one that's gonna have 200 subscribers and about who people are gonna make fun about. All right, we're actually gonna make you pretty successful at it. Now, with personal branding, what you want to do there is you want to pick one skill. One skill you're very, very good at, right? And talk about that. Let's just say you're very good at basketball, right? You pick a personal brand where you talk about your basketball journey. You share your trainings. You give tips to people. That's going to be your one skill. What can happen there is people who also wanna, once you actually build some sort of an audience. By the way, on my channel I have a lot of videos on building your own audience. But back to this, there's gonna be people who want to get your skill, skills, and they're willing to pay money for it to get your skills. So what can you do then is you can offer them a coaching call or a training session, for example, for $50, $60, $70 an hour. Some numbers. And then you have a business that does not rely on a season. You can start at 15, 16, 17, 18 years old. And yeah. Now, if you do have a personal brand, you're just not going to blow up to like 100,000 followers. Oof. In like 7 days. That's not even 10,000. 100,000 followers in 7 days. Right? It's just not going to happen. It's not realistic. But what is realistic, however, is to maybe get you can get 1,000 followers in roughly 14 days. That is very, very possible. Now, there are two ways to go about it. About one way I've been talking about a lot on my channel. It's been just to run like ads and to make people go to your page. Now it is effective, but it's not as effective right now as it was when I talked about it. Right now, a much more effective way to do this is with like these with organic traffic methods, right? This is why I want to introduce you guys to a tool called Sprout. I actually started using it a while back, and so far it has gotten me some very, very good results. Right, it works very, very good for personal branding because like you can pick your own niche. When I actually bought it, when they onboarded me, I could pick a niche. I could give them some information about me to help pretty much help them out with the targeting, everything to do to get more followers. And so far I'm getting like 50 followers a day, which is pretty dope, which is pretty good. And those are real organic people. And off of those people, if I would just get 1, 2, 3 clients, I make my money back. They even have a case study of me on their website, I think. But yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and check out Sprout as well. I really recommend this tool, especially if you're going to be going the path which I draw out in this video. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.